Okay. I'm fine.
I got a big bag.
I know. Open it up.
Dad,
I need to help you. Which one is this? I'm thinking that it's going to ching ching. And this one is a mixture of things.
I'm ready to dress.
This one.
Welcome to my new channel. This channel Somma Stella. It is my birthday today.
I know. Happy birthday, Mama. It's Somma's birthday. She's going to school. We're taking her to school. So because today is Friday, so it's school day.
My birthday stuff to all my friends.
I know. So she's got some stuff she's going to give out to her friend that we packed last night, and she's going to be giving them out to her friends, teacher, and all that. Yeah, and everything.
My teacher can.
You can hear that. It's Somma's birthday today. Guess what, guys? It's Somma's birthday. I'm so excited. She's turning big 5, so I'm just rushing up because we're going to pick her back from school, and it's 3:05 now, so that's why I'm actually rushing. The way kids grow so fast is unimaginable, seriously. I could remember when I gave birth to my daughter, and it's her birthday today. She's an October born. It's my little baby's birthday. Not my little baby, but you know, she's still a baby to me. She's turning big 5. So we're going now to bring her back from school. Her school dismisses 3:15, so it's almost 3:15 now, and we're heading to bring her back from the school. So I'm wishing her a happy birthday. We've already wished her a happy birthday, good health, good life, prosperity, blessings, God's fullness, God abundant favor in her life, in whatever she's doing. She's so excited, like she's all over the place because of this her birthday. Seriously, anybody she sees, she's telling the person, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. Honestly, I'm also excited for her too, because it's not easy turning 5. It's really not easy turning 5, so I'm very thankful to God for it. And then probably I'll be catching up with you guys later, because we've got some errands that I'll be running later after we pick her up. So I'm guessing I will take you guys along, or if not, but whichever one that happen, you guys are still gonna see it and all that. I just love this my makeup. So I'm trying out the new foundation I bought last 2 weeks from Boots. So I had to go do a skin match for foundation, and I ended up getting one that I think it's rhymed properly well with my skin and all that. But yeah, it's still what it is though. I'll catch up with you guys later, Joe.
I got a big badge.
I know. Open someone, yeah. Hey. My small baby is turning big every day. Let's get our birthday princess done. Birthday princess.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Do you want me to help you?
You don't come in my bed, please.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We have our birthday girl. Mama, say hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel.
That's our YouTube channel.
Mama, I want to say again.
Okay.
It's my birthday today. Look at my birthday badge.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
I know. So we came where we will be getting the cake for the birthday and all stuff. Hello. Yes. So the cake store we went to earlier on, it turns out their cake is this the icing on the cake is this melting ones. I don't know how to classify it, but they said it's cream icing. Yeah, it's cream icing and it's the melting one. So before you leave it out, maximum is 1 hour. After 1 hour it will start melting, so we had to leave it because birthday party and all that requires for the cake to be out for more than 1 hour. So since the cake can last for more than 1 hour outside, we had to leave it. So we're going to ask Danan to get the cake. So we saw a cake at Asda yesterday, a unicorn design cake, and her favorite animal is unicorn, so she loves unicorn very well. So we'll be going to get the unicorn cake and all that. That's where we head into now. So we had to leave the cake at the cake shop one. So since that one didn't work out, and we'll be going to get her gift and the rest of the stuff. Like, she's so anticipating for her birthday party and all that. I haven't even said anything for her whatsoever. She's in a hurry. She wants to get the birthday party started and everything. But yeah, let her just chill first. Everything. So I'm master at the moment. So that's as pepper. Hey, we can't learn new ones. Ah, this one is nice. And it hasn't shaked yet. Wow. She's gonna love this unicorn one. So we've already gotten the cake. That's the cake over there. There's a unicorn cake. Someone must be really excited when she sees this. Seriously. Let me put it in the car. Asa cake are very cute. Cutie. Demure. So we headed to Primark or Marks and Spencer's or whichever shop to get her a gift. Wherever we see the things, we're going to do it to get her her gift and all that. So that's where we're heading to now. It was a bit sunny and it wasn't cold. All of a sudden it's just cold. I don't even know why it's cold. This one. Okay, yeah. And the liver, please. Oh, the one in the middle. guys, so we're going home now. The sun is affecting my camera. So it's very sunny today. The sun is hot, blooming hot and beautiful. The weather is just nice. So I've already finished the decoration and everything where the party is gonna go on, and when we get home we're gonna get the party started and all that. So I had to get a Elsa character balloon, the round one, not like the full Elsa itself. So it's just like a round one. What's going on? There's just traffic everywhere, hold-ups everywhere. Wow, I don't know what's really going on. Let me show you guys. So that's just it over there. We had to turn around from the other side, and now we came to this one area and it's all filled up with the same thing. Anyways, whenever it's sunny like this, everybody is just using the opportunity to go out, flex around, meet friends and all them things. But yeah, the weather is really nice today though. The weather is really nice. I just love it when it's sunny instead of all this cold and all that. I'll catch up with you guys when I get home, probably when the thing is going on, but I'll catch up with you guys when I get home though. Ciao. In the way. Look at what happened? Got some pizza here that I'm gonna put in the oven now. So I've got the stone baked sweet chili chicken pizza, and I've got this 4 cheese pizza. So this one is a cheese one and this one is a chicken chili. So that's it there. And I've got my rice here, so I'm just waiting for this one to get so I can start putting it. So I finished my vegetable, my snacks box. So I've got my crepes, some candies here. That's chin chin, and this one is a mixture of thing. I'm going to be uploading this reel for this one soon to show you guys how I mix this up. So that's my secret recipe, although I got the recipe from my daughter's godparents, so that's where I got this one from. I had to do it, but it's looking all nice, and our rice is ready this side. So there's this candle we bought. When you turn that's the candle over there. So it came like this in this pack. So when you turn it around, when you turn the candle, it's singing. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's singing actually. Oh my god. So that is the cake over there. Somma doesn't know she has a cake yet. She doesn't know. This is the cake she's been carrying around, thinking that she's gonna.
I'm 5. I'm 5. I'm 5. I am. Me too. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
For me.
I'm ready to dress. I'm ready to dress. And then to your princess. And then He makes me a princess. I guess.
Mama, don't touch the bottom. The bottom of the pot.
Go out.
Come to take. Come on, pot.
I've not finished my rice, oh, Mama. So we are about to distribute the cake for all the people that came to the party and all them things. So that's our cake over there. The unicorn cake is just so delicious. So guys, it's been like an eventful birthday. I'm so excited. The birthday has finally come to an end. Okay. So she's about to open her gifts. We've already finished cutting the cake, doing all the necessary stuff that should be done when someone is doing a birthday and all that. She's really excited. She's big five. That's her big five thingy over there. And all them things. So yeah, I'm very grateful. Mama, what do you have to say?
Thank you.
It's
the best party ever.
I know. And are you excited?
Yes.
I know.
And I go open my present.
She's so in a hurry to open her present. So I'm going to give her all the presents, both the ones the godparents brought for her and the ones we bought for her as well.
No,
because
Uncle gave it to me.
yeah, they are your godparents. Uncle is your godparent. That's what we're talking about, isn't it? I know. So let's get this thing started. You can open your present.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's open it.
Open yours, let's see.
What you got?
No, that one is yours. Take that one.
Let's swap.
Yes. You got all mixed up. Yeah, so that one is yours and this one is for Dingo. There you go, baby girl.
It's mine. Thank you. It's mine to my new school.
No?
It's mine to my birthday.
Yes?
Thank you.
Oh.
Yes. The cups. Mommy, let's
fix this
help.
one.
No.